Once upon a time, in the heart of ancient Egypt, there lived a pharaoh named Amenhotep. He was a ruler known for his grandeur, cruelty, and unshakable belief in his divinity. Amenhotep, like many pharaohs of his time, was obsessed with power and the construction of monumental structures that would solidify his legacy for eternity. Amenhotep's reign was marked by unparalleled wealth and opulence. His palace, adorned with glistening gold and precious gems, was a testament to his extravagance. The people of Egypt revered him out of fear, for he ruled with an iron fist, and disobedience meant certain death. However, hidden away in the bustling streets of Thebes, a city on the banks of the mighty Nile, lived a young girl named Nefertari. She possessed a rare beauty and a heart full of compassion. Nefertari was wise beyond her years, and her kindness had earned her the respect of both the commoners and the elite. One fateful day, while Nefertari was at the market, she saw an elderly beggar woman struggling to find food. Moved by compassion, she approached the frail woman and offered her some bread and a jar of water. The beggar woman, who had once served in the palace, was overwhelmed by Nefertari's generosity and spoke of the atrocities committed by Pharaoh Amenhotep. News of Nefertari's kindness soon reached the ears of Amenhotep's chief advisor, Imhotep. He was a man of great intellect and vision who had long been disheartened by the pharaoh's tyranny. Imhotep saw in Nefertari a glimmer of hope for Egypt's future. Imhotep secretly met with Nefertari and shared his plan to challenge the pharaoh's rule. They decided to expose Amenhotep's tyranny by spreading the truth about his oppressive reign throughout the land. Nefertari's beauty and kindness would serve as a powerful symbol of hope and resistance.